Hello, my name is James Oneil, Business Outreach and Development for Columbia Credit Union. Today I'm with Hayden Colton with Blaze Restoration, and we're actually at one of the locations for the upcoming October 15th, 16th Columbia Credit Union Remodeled Homes Tour. Before we go inside for a sneak peek, why don't you tell everybody a little bit about yourself and Blaze Restoration?
Awesome, yes of course. As James said, I'm Hayden Colton. I'm an operations manager at Blaze Restoration. I oversee the operations of every project. I make sure that things are following the correct orders that they are intended to.
So Hayden, as we came into the home, this is a fire restoration project. It is amazing.
It's amazing in here, and this is also what we encourage our clients to take advantage of during this opportunity. I mean, it's devastating, but it is the opportunity to completely restart. We obviously want to make it as easy as we can for our clients. That's our main goal. They don't have to deal with insurance. We work for them. Our main goal is to take care of our clients. We want them to feel comfortable, and we capitalize on that. We set us aside from our competitors. We want to be friendly with our clients. We want them to feel comfortable. We want them to be able to text us and give us any questions they have, or call us in the middle of the day. We don't work every day, but you can call us on the weekends. Like, we want you to have that comfortability with us. You shouldn't feel like we are here against you as well. It's already such a hard task at hand, and you have to deal with insurance and everything else. So.
And I remember hearing you and the client talk about it really felt like a partnership. It wasn't, okay, here's our bid, sign here, we'll call you when it's done.
Another big part of our process is we always encourage everybody to, explore your options, because we'll give you all the information. I mean, there are a lot of things you need to look out for, a lot of things you need to be careful of going into this. It's a lot of insurance handling and insurance money, so it's something you want to be careful with. But
I want to move outside and check out outside, because
Absolutely.
There's one thing in the Pacific Northwest, you gotta have a pool. I mean, it's sunny here around here. You're gonna have at least 20 to 30 solid days of the year to get out there and enjoy that pool. But you know what? If it's raining, get out there and swim, right?
Yes.
I mean, you're gonna get wet either way.
Hey, it's heated.
Yeah, and it's heated. It's heated.
Yes,
Let's
it's
check
heated.
outside. Now, this is an outdoor living space, and you finished this project 6 months ahead of schedule. 6 months ahead of schedule, which got them here around June, which that's when the rain stops.
Right.
So they got a chance to enjoy the pool.
It's comfy. We live in the Pacific Northwest. It's not going to be sunny all year, so this is a space that they can enjoy all year round.
A nice, relaxing area to watch the game, Gilmore Girls, whatever you want to watch. And then the dog got an upgrade too around the corner. I mean, the dog house is supreme.
They both got an upgrade. They sure did. Yes.
The dogs need me time too, right?
The dogs are just as important. They're family too. People too.
And you're from Vancouver.
Yeah, I'm from Vancouver.
And so, that's pretty cool. You get to beautify the place you live, the place you love. Do you want to tell us what you love about Vancouver?
Of course, we are, honestly, Blaze in general, we are very family oriented. We're very rooted in our community in general. Even this week, we're doing events that are helping the dogs. We're cleaning up the dog park this week. So we just do little things like that to give back to our community. These are things and resources that we use as well, so we want them to be enjoyable for everybody. Once again, we have deep roots in our community. Like we said, we like to be friendly with our clients. We want them to feel like we're their friends, and we want them to trust us as well. Connecting people and possibilities within our community. Right.
Thank you for inviting us for a sneak peek.
Of course.
Please thank your clients.
Of
It's
course.
been great.
I'm thankful for them, and we're thankful for you guys as well, so thank you.
Nobody's ever thanked me before. That's kind of
Oh, come on.